Hello and welcome guys to a new episode. Today we're going to talk about this beautiful Aprilia's menu here, the racing menu. So to get here you've got to press on the left hand side controls, as you see. Once you press on the left hand side control you've got vehicle option. At the vehicle option you go there and you choose mode, either road or race. When you choose the race mode you can choose the shift light, at which RPM it gives you the red light warning, and at which shifting light blip right here it tells you to shift, and the bit limiter. Of course, if you choose the road mode, which is the conventional mode, it gives you other free modes, which is street, racing, and so you get user, which is the most customizable one. You've got street and you've got racing. This one's street and you've got racing. See? Sport, street, user and sport. You go here, you press on the right hand side toggle on this button under the start button, and then you get all the options. Unfortunately, only user mode is customizable, so you can change the Aprilia engine map. It tells you what does it mean down there. Aprilia engine map, Aprilia engine braking, Aprilia traction control, and Aprilia wheelie control. Of course, I like to leave this all off, and this is at the minimum, and these both are off. Once you go back to the user mode, it will give you a warning that the Aprilia traction control is off and the Aprilia wheelie control is off. You want to turn it on, you've got this button here which you can press, the small silver button, plus and minus, to increase and decrease your Aprilia traction control. Once you get into street mode, you also have got all the options to increase them using these two buttons. As you can see here, we increase it by 1, increase it by another one, and another one. You got into race mode, you can change everything. I believe the engine map is fixed. Something is very counter-intuitive here is that the user mode is the strongest mode that has Aprilia Power Map 1, engine mapping 1, which is the most violent one and the most powerful one, very raw and the most powerful one. You go back again, as I said, you click here on this button, the left hand side toggle, left button, vehicle, and you choose race mode. Once you are in race mode you can adjust the race mode, so you exit here and you press again on the right hand side toggle, and then gives you track, and then gives you track 2 and race. If you would like to customize any of these, you have to press a long press on the right hand side button again under the start button, if you could see it here, and then it gives you here Aprilia engine mapping, Aprilia engine braking, Aprilia traction control, and Aprilia wheelie control, and Aprilia launch control. Launch control is really nice on this bike, but you have to use it at your own risk. And then the ABS. So ABS here,